In this video, I will show you how to turn off all notifications on Pinterest. Open up your Pinterest account. Push on this little arrow next to your profile picture. Go down and select Settings. Come over to this left column and push on Notifications. Push on Edit here. We currently get all these notifications from Pinterest. Select these options one by one and turn them off. Open up the next one. Push on this button, Turn off all. All these have been turned off. We won't receive any more emails from Pinterest. And open this last one. Press on, turn off all again. Then save. This should be enough to stop all notifications from Pinterest. And if you're still getting notifications from Pinterest, you will have to come back to this area and find the one that's still sending you notifications. And that's how you do it, guys. How to turn off all notifications on Pinterest.